Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 18th, 2021. This is going to be our Dogecoin latest price prediction. Is this an urgent matter for us to continue to ensure we are in place to win in the market? Welcome to our channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is a spot, the location to where we're going to give you all price predictions, relatively easy to see as well as understand. Welcome to you all. If you are new to our particular channel, if so, make sure you keep it locked in right here because this is the spot, the location that we're going to give you all a heads up as to where price is going to go without being confused. So if you guys want to join us, hit me up, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well so you guys do not miss out on any of our content that we are creating here on this platform. So now, before I tell you my latest price prediction into the market in Dogecoin, let me show you what has happened into the market since our last video, which was on October the 9th. So here we are, October the 18th, 2021, and we already expected the market in Dogecoin to go up in price. So for us to see the market in Dogecoin up almost 10% right now, it's not confused. Well, I mean, we're not confused as to why that's the case because we was already in position. We were expecting the market to give us this type of price action today. So it's very good to see the market actually give us what we've been expecting, right? So now the question is, can we still see Dogecoin continue to move higher in price? It's very good for us to see that. I wanted to come in really and show you how the market in Dogecoin is getting restriction right there at the same spot that we talked about on October the 8th. So we are at a very crucial spot for us to even make a decision as to we take the bag now or can we wait and allow the market in Dogecoin to continue to try to hit that 30-cent price. I mean, what do you all expect the market to do? Should we eat off a little bit of the market right now because we are now trading at this restriction point that I identified on October the 8th? Ain't nothing wrong with taking profits off the market. That's 6.25% win right there from October the 8th to the 18th, 6.25%. So there's nothing wrong with that. Matter of fact, that's a very good thing to try to do is to try to eat profitability while we have it. So I would definitely do that right now is to take that 6.25% off the market and let some of it ride. Only if we're seeing strength still. If we're not seeing strength in the market, we need to cut the whole play and move on to another opportunity or play the opposite side of the market in Dogecoin. So let's see if we're still getting the strength in the market in Dogecoin. Let's just take a look. We got 13 hours and 57 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar, right? So now look at that 3-day price bar. In the next 13 hours, I'm telling you, if we look the way that we have it right now on this 3-day price bar, I'm still expecting the market in Dogecoin to go up. Yeah, I am. And so far, the indication is that the market still wants to do that. It still wants to go up in price. There's no confusion as to what we're seeing on the price chart in Dogecoin. That one 3-day price bar, the spread of it literally encompasses the last three 3-day price bars in one 3-day price bar. So we have definitely seen a switch in change or momentum. The price wants to go somewhere, and currently the trap is showing us that he wants to try to take this price up to the upside. So we are still in position. We are still there. We're still anticipating the market in Dogecoin to go up. Now, I'm not the one to give you these moonshot price predictions saying that Dogecoin is going to hit $1, nothing like that, but we can still play the strength. We can still profit from the market moves. And I'm seeing 28 cents and 30 cents as those next two areas for us to see the price in Dogecoin get hung up. Okay. 28 cents, ultimately around 30. Now I wanted to check out how we ended last week for Dogecoin, because if we ended out pretty good on the weekly time frame in Dogecoin, then the market can definitely hit 30 cents with no issues, with no problems at all. And so far, with the weakness that came in on this weekly price bar right here, let me change this arrow so you all can see it visually right here. Okay, for us to see all of this volume come in and us to close towards the low of the price bar lets us know that there was a lot of selling going on. So when there's a lot of selling going on in the market, you would expect the reaction to be price to continue to go down, but we didn't get that. On the week of October the 11th, we didn't get the market to go down in Dogecoin. So all of the selling that was happening the week before, the market was able to consume it. They was able to absorb it up and accumulate it and buy it. And that is why the price currently today is up 10%. It's because the market knew that Dogecoin was going to go up in price. There's no confusion about that. Rather than us seeing the price go down on the week of October the 11th, the market was able to close at the high of the bar. Well, pretty much towards the high of the bar rather than towards the low end of the bar. That is why the price in Dogecoin is still showing us the strength right now. So what about on the 2 weeks time frame, right? 6 days and 14 hours left, and currently the market looks pretty decent. Monthly time frame, we got 13 days and 14 hours left, and so far, if we're able to conclude in the next 13 days, okay, I'm telling you right now the play. If the market in Dogecoin is able to close the way that it looks right now on the ending of October, the price is still anticipated to go up. Just that simple. Okay. So far, I think we may be pretty good to allow our price prediction that we did on October the 9th to be maintained. I don't think we need to come in and change it right now because the market is still here in Dogecoin showing us that it wants to go up in price. And who are we to get in the way of the market going up, right? We just want to make sure that we are already there in position to capitalize on the move. And so far, based on what we've seen over the last couple of days, these weekly time frames, daily time frames, the market here is still trying to emphasize itself trying to go up. So now the next spot that I'm looking at is 28 cents, which we're almost knocking on the door right now. And then the last area is around 30. Okay, those are the next areas that I'm expecting the market to get hit with some selling and try to push down the price in Dogecoin. So now I'm going to extend out our prediction since we are still noticing that the market strength is still in play in Dogecoin. I'm not going to change it. We're going to continue to let the market ride, continue to expect it to try to go up there to 28 cents, then 30 cents. And if we're still getting strength around 30 cents, guess what? We're going to continue to let the play ride on again and let the market ride higher, and we'll still be in position to capitalize off of the move. So this is my latest price prediction into the market in Dogecoin. Pretty much nothing has changed. I'm still looking for the price in Dogecoin to give us that market strength right now. So this is it. Updated it slightly only to expect the market to try to hit that 30-cent price. But first we got to capitalize off 28 cents being knocked out the way. All right. So this is it. Now, as part of our community, we want to make sure that everyone else gets the opportunity to call the markets with me. So drop me a comment right now and tell me, what is your expectation in Dogecoin over the next 3 weeks? Where do you see the price going in the next 3 weeks? This is one of the best things about having a free market, is that no one is able to dictate to you what your expectations are. This is still my thoughts, my premise, my expectations as to what I'm looking forward to. Now I want to know, what is yours? So drop me a comment right now and tell me, what are you all noticing on the charts for Dogecoin? And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.